Matavitas Elementary School. Here are your echoes for today.
I said Bruins Down, used with no bias.
CLB, including nothing but the truth.
This is DZMN 97.5, Real News Patrol. Good morning,
Former ex-President Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay biniyay na sa Netherlands para harapin ang kasong versus Jaguar sa ICC. VP Sara di pinapasok sa Villamor Air Base nang bisitahin ang ama. Padirong sabi ni VP Sara tungkol kay PBBM. Pati ng Pangulo na siya very soon. PBBM, pag-aresto ng Interpol kay ex-President Duterte, hindi political presentation.
Dalawang anak na ex-President Duterte naghain ng petisyon sa SC para mabalikan ng Pilipinas ang kanilang ama. The Department of Justice confirms that the arrest was conducted in the peaceful and orderly manner. The former president was treated in the accordance with the law and all procedural safeguards were observed to protect his rights. DOJ.